So we got this Pinalin, I don't know, multi-purpose cleaner, and it's actually a little money maker on Ibotta. So at Walmart, it's $3.96. This is the 128 fluid ounce, and then Ibotta is $4.17 cash back. Is that limit one?
Yes.
Limit one. So little money maker, plus you get this little multi-purpose cleaner. So that's the first deal. And let me see that other thing you got. Were these from coupons.com?
Yeah.
Whoa, Jesus. Oh, one went way under there. That is totally my fault. I'll get that in a second. So, we got these. I don't know if I get the thing. Okay. These were in our clearance section, but you should be able to find them in the regular section too. Coupons.com has a printable coupon. I'll put a link down below. How much is the coupon for? The coupon's for $3, so this is actually going to be a $1 money maker. Remember, you can print them twice. Just click the link a second time after you print the first one. Alright, those are the first deals. Alright guys, deal numero dos. We're in like the produce kind of aisle. There's these Figgy Pop things. I think I already posted this on my website actually, but I haven't talked about it in a video. So, Figgy Pop treat things, natural snacks, I don't know. They're $3.98. There's a coupons.com printable coupon. I'll put a link down below. That is a $2 coupon. And there's also an Ibotta for $2, which makes, if I can get off the light, makes it really a 2-cent moneymaker, essentially free. The Ibotta is limit 5, so if you want to print more than one coupon, again, you can just click the link a second time and you can click print out 2 coupons. So that's deal number 2. And oh yeah, some of these even have peelies. Of course, you can't use the peelie with this transaction, but for future purchases. Or if you want to, it wouldn't be free, but if you actually like the things, since Ibotta's a limit 5, if you found 3 with the peelie coupons, you could do 2 manufacturer coupons, or 2 of the other coupons and 3 of these coupons, even though it might have to be separate transactions, but you'll figure that out. Alright, that's getting too convoluted. They're free, okay? Alright, so 2 for 98 cents. You can get any of these, right, for the deal?
Mm-hmm.
So let's look. We got Oreo, we got Nutter Butter, we got Teddy Grahams. We got more stuff over here. Anyways, we're at Walmart, obviously. Chips Ahoy, Ritz. Okay, so it's 2 for 98 cents, and on Ibotta, see, we're getting those. Show me Ibotta. Ibotta says, come on, work with me. $1.50 on any 2 Nabisco cookie or cracker product. So you're actually going to make 52 cents, is that right? 52 cents.
Is it 2?
Yeah, you got to buy 2. Is it a limit of?
No, just 2.
It's a limit of 2, so you get 4.
No, you buy 2.
Look at. Wait. Must buy
at
2.
least 2.
Oh, but okay. So you can't buy 4 and double it. Alright, so buy 2 of these and make 50-something cents.
And get the 6 cookies.
It's the best value.
Yeah,
the Oreo ones are the best value because the other ones are smaller. So the deals just keep on coming. So we got 94 cents here on this multi-pack Colgate. Yeah, Colgate. So see how it says buy one get one free? It counts because you're getting this free one as a multi-pack. So if you look up Ibotta, you're getting $1.30, so you're making 36 cents. It's actually a limit of 5, but as you can see, people have already cleared this store out. So if you can find that, 94-cent Colgate pack looks just like this. It says this buy one get one free, up to 5, so 36 cents. And if you got 5 of them, you'd make more money than 36 cents. Here we have Quaker Oats, and even advertises right in the store, earn $1 cash back on select Quaker Oats on Ibotta. So I already posted this deal on my website last week, but thought since we're in Walmart, we'll go ahead and do the deal. And Monica has a whole cart full. Okay. We also have a $1 coupon that's on coupons.com. Remember, you can print 2 of them, and they cost, are they the $2.48 or the $1.96? $1.96. So they cost $1.96. And we're getting $2 off, so we make 4 cents? That doesn't sound right. I thought it ended up costing 40 cents still.
Yeah, it's for every 2. Because remember, you're buying 2, so that's $2. So that's
the coupon's off of 2.
Yeah, it's off 2.
Save $1 off 2. Okay.
Yeah,
so you still spend like 40 cents. The breakdown's on my website for sure, but anyways.
No,
so we're doing that.
50 cents a piece.
Ibotta, and the coupons.com. Good?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it. Is that it for Walmart? We're done?
Well, that was checkout.
So, okay. That's all the deals we have. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We're going to do a lot more Walmart deals, some Dollar General deals. We have a PetSmart deal coming up. And we went back to Harbor Freight today to get more stuff. So, I don't know what order these videos are going to get uploaded in, but check out the timeline of my video history of my channel, and I don't know where I'm going with this. We're done. Bye.